You might be finding that this version of movement isn't very smooth. For example, if I wanted to go diagonal, I would expect to be able to press the down and right keys to get down here to the bottom right-hand corner of my scene. But if I do that, all it does is it moves the character in the direction of the button that you first pressed. The second button press doesn't do anything. So we're going to bin all of these, and I'm going to show you a different way to add movement to your character. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the events blocks and grab a flag. The second thing we're going to do is go to the control blocks and we're going to grab a forever loop. And then we're going to drag in 4 if and then loops here, and we're going to place them underneath each other. If you accidentally put one inside of the other one like this, drag out the one from the inside and place it underneath the other one. We need 4 of these. The next thing you're going to do is go to the sensing blocks, and we are looking for key space pressed, and we're going to drag this into the shapes here. And it can be a little bit tricky at first, but you'll notice that if I drag this shape close to the little hole here, it will get a white outline. I don't need to drag it all the way in like this. As soon as that white outline has appeared, I can let go of my mouse and it will snap into place like that. Let's do that for the next 3. And then just like we did last time, we're going to do up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Now we're going to do the exact same thing as before. So we're going to change Y by 10 to go up. We're going to change Y by -10 to go down, remembering that the negative button is next to the 0 on your keyboard. We're going to change X by 10 for the right arrow, and we're going to change X by -10 for the left arrow. And if I press the flag now, I can go up, down, left, and right. But now if I hold 2 buttons down at the same time, I can go diagonal. How cool is that? Well done.